Emma, a young woman with a flair for fashion, hides a secret. Despite her polished appearance, she lives in a cramped basement filled with her clothing sketches. Determined to turn her talent into a thriving business, she attends a high-profile awards ceremony to pitch her dream of opening a fashion studio to wealthy investors. But her humble origins threaten to unravel her plans as she navigates judgment, deception, and unexpected allies in a world where appearances matter. At the glittering awards ceremony, Emma adjusts her handmade dress, her heart pounding. Emma, Emma, I was looking for you. How dare you act like you belong here? We share the same basement. Sir, please calm down. He's out of control. Let him go, I'll deal with this. But miss, you don't want to make me angry, do you? All right, fine. Thank you. Let's move. Emma pulls her friend aside, her voice low. Who was that? Sorry, buddy, I had to play it cool. I was terrified for you. I thought you'd deny knowing me and call the police. I'm so sorry. What are you even doing here? And where did you get these stunning clothes? Remember the award ceremony for the top businessman of the year? This is my shot to find an investor for my studio. Finally, our basement's overflowing with your sketches. I can't even find my own stuff anymore. Emma smiles, gesturing to her outfit. See? I got up early, scavenged discarded fabrics, and made this myself. Emma, you're seriously talented. You're going to blow them away. Thank you, guys, for believing in me. I mean it. She takes a deep breath and steps into the crowd. Go get Em. Later, a sharp voice cuts through the chatter. Well, well, well. Looks like we've got an outsider crashing the party. Emma turns to a suited man, her pitch steady. Sir, my business proposal is solid. I'd love your thoughts. It's compelling, Emma. I'll need to check with my analysts, but I'll get back to you. Sounds good. I'll be here. She nods, but another man approaches, his smile sly. Hi, gorgeous. I spotted you across the room and had to say hello. I'm Liam. Emma. She shakes his hand, cautious. Never seen you at these events. First time? I don't come often, but I'm planning to open a fashion studio. A studio? Bold move. Your style definitely stands out. Emma's eyes light up. Thank you. I want to design clothes that celebrate individuality, even for people who can only afford secondhand. Secondhand? Liam's tone sharpens. You know what I'm getting at. I see through you. A fraud. I could expose you right now. Police interrogations. Maybe even jail. Let me go. His grip tightens. I'll let you go if you come to my room. Before Emma can respond, another voice interrupts. Emma, I'm ready to invest in your studio. She turns, stunned. Really? The man hands her a business card. Meet me tomorrow at my office to sort out the details. Liam smirks, stepping closer. I wouldn't rush. She's no businesswoman. Liam Carter, businessman of the year. Think it over until my speech ends. Emma slips away, heart racing. Thank you, sir. I'll head out now. Liam offers. Let me walk you out. No thanks. My ride's here. See you tomorrow. Outside, Emma calls her friend, her voice trembling with excitement. Jack, I did it. Tomorrow, my dream's coming true. I'm opening my studio. Come help me pack. Okay? Got it. A star like you in a place like that? Unreal. But a shadow moves closer. Followed you, did I? I want everyone to know you're a basement dweller. A fake. Emma freezes as Liam looms. There's one way I'll stay quiet. Back off. She steps back. Here's the deal. Half your investment money, or your life gets messy. Think you can bully me just because you've got money? Bullying? No. Emma, it's just business. You're in my game now. Another voice breaks in. Hey, Oliver, a friend from the party, steps forward. What's going on? Emma, you dropped this at the event. He glances at Liam. So, no personal driver, huh? Emma's voice cracks. I didn't want to lie, Oliver, but who'd take a business pitch from someone like me? You'll always be a nobody. Then, Liam sneers, but Oliver waves him off. I'll handle him. Back in the dim basement, Emma slumps among her sketches. That's it. My dream was so close, and now I'm stuck here forever. Jack kneels beside her. Emma, don't say that. This is just a hurdle. Look at these designs. Even here, you've created something incredible. You're too talented to give up. Footsteps echo. Oliver steps in, his face kind. Why didn't you show up at my office today? Emma looks down. You're not here to mock me or turn me in for pretending to be someone I'm not. Turn you in? Emma, your idea is brilliant. That's why I want to invest. Her eyes widen. You're not angry? A little, since you weren't upfront. But your background doesn't matter. Your talent and drive do. Emma's face softens, hope flickering. Emma's journey reveals the power of talent and resilience. Though her secret life in a basement nearly cost her everything, her creativity and courage won her a chance to shine. With the support of those who saw beyond her circumstances, she stands on the brink of building her dream studio. Her story reminds us that where we start doesn't define where we can go. Determination does.